The Jezebel spirit is a destructive force that operates through deception and manipulation. It seeks to undermine authority, control others, and exalt itself. This spirit is subtle and often disguises itself as something good, making it difficult to identify. However, understanding its true nature is essential for combating its influence in our lives. The Jezebel spirit often targets individuals in positions of leadership, attempting to usurp their authority and influence. It thrives on chaos and division, sowing discord among individuals and within communities. Its ultimate goal is to silence the voice of truth and righteousness, replacing it with its own twisted agenda. The Jezebel spirit manifests through various characteristics, making it crucial to discern its subtle workings. One prominent trait is a thirst for control and manipulation. Individuals under its influence often resort to intimidation, guilt-tripping, or seduction to get their way. They thrive on drama and conflict, constantly stirring up trouble and creating a toxic environment. Another hallmark of the Jezebel spirit is pride and arrogance. These individuals possess an inflated sense of self-importance and crave admiration from others. They often belittle and demean those around them, seeking to elevate themselves above everyone else. Their words may be laced with flattery and charm, but their intentions are far from pure. The Jezebel spirit can manifest in various ways, often disguised behind a veneer of respectability. In religious settings, it may present as false piety or spiritual arrogance. Individuals under its influence may appear righteous and devout, but their actions betray a lack of genuine humility and love. In personal relationships, the Jezebel spirit can wreak havoc, leading to broken trust and emotional turmoil. It thrives on gossip, slander, and manipulation, turning loved ones against each other. Individuals under its influence may engage in infidelity or use sex as a weapon to control and dominate their partners. Overcoming the Jezebel spirit requires a multifaceted approach that involves spiritual discernment, personal boundaries, and a commitment to truth. The first step is to recognize the spirit's presence and its tactics. Once you can identify its influence, you can begin to resist its deceptive whispers. Setting firm boundaries is crucial in protecting yourself from further manipulation. This may involve limiting contact with individuals exhibiting Jezebel tendencies or refusing to engage in their drama. Surrounding yourself with supportive and discerning friends or mentors can provide invaluable guidance and strength throughout this process.